In case the tutor wants to reschedule any event that they are part of, you can see that the tutor can see all the events in their homepage. So this is the calendar homepage. Here all the upcoming events would be shown. So suppose the tutor wants to reschedule this event. So the tutor can simply hover over the card. This will open up, and here the tutor will get three options: edit, reschedule, and cancel. Since the tutor wants to reschedule this, the tutor will click on reschedule. The full page will open up for that session. Now here the tutor can decide to change any of the details. Suppose they're not available on 29th, so they can select a different date. Suppose they selected 30th. Once they have updated the details, they can recheck all the other fill details. Once they have done that, they click on update. Now since this is a recurring session, they would be asked whether this reschedule would only be applicable to this instance, this or all the upcoming instances that are there, or all the instances which are part of the recurring event. So in case the tutor just wants to reschedule this particular session, they'll select this, they'll confirm. Once they've confirmed, you can see that the session has been updated and it has been rescheduled. And all the attendees who are a part of the session would receive an email notifying them of this change.